Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add hyperlinks or links in Canva. Now with this one, this is also applicable for free trial, so if you don't have Canva Pro, there is no need to worry about that one. So you're gonna have an option once you're on the landing page of Canva like this one. You can create any design, it doesn't really matter, or you can choose an existing design. On my case, I have an existing design right here, and I'm going to go to it right now. Now, this is my existing design as of now. Currently, I have two radio buttons. Now, basically, this is just an element I got from Canva, and this is just a simple text. Now, I'm going to make them a radio button or look like a radio button right now because they're shaped like this. Let me just zoom in a little bit. Perfect. Now, for the sake of discussion, I'm going to color this one a little bit more on the beige to make it more presentable, right? And this one, I'm going to color it a little bit more red. Perfect. And this one, I think I'm feeling a little bit more dark green or something like that. Perfect. Now that being said, let's try and give some links to this. So there are two ways to add some links. Actually, there are more than two. I think there are three. Anyway, these are the ways here. So first one, if you click on your text, with that one, there is a link icon already. Step one, okay? Or that's going to be the one way. Next up, you can click on your command or keyboard, Control K. You'll open up that option. That is for Windows. For Apple or Mac devices, that is Command K. So that's going to be the second option for you. And the third option is going to be this one right here. If you open YouTube, let me just go through it right now. So this is going to be the YouTube channel. It's just a random YouTube landing page. And get the link right there. Let's go back to Canva and just simply highlight the word you're trying to hyperlink and simply paste what you copied. So I can just simply click on right click or paste, and I have that link right there. It's already clickable, there is the link. So those are the three steps I can give you. Now that being said, if you want to remove the underline option, because that is pretty not normal if you can ask me, simply click on the options underline right there, click it one more time until it's removed. Now don't worry if you remove the underline, the link will still be here as promised. Perfect, right? Now, if you click on right click right there, if you deleted this one, of course, the link will be removed. Now, for some option, if you click on right click or the three dots right there, you can edit the link. As you can see right there, there is the command. Since I'm using Windows, this will be Control K. Now, since we have successfully added the link on YouTube, let's try doing it on Google. So, which one do you want to try? The first, second, or third method? I think for me, the fastest one is the last one, right? So let's get a link for YouTube right now. Or might as well just type it, right? So the third option is not applicable for typing. So the one applicable for typing is going to be this three dots right here, or this link right here. So option is one, you can type the link there, type in google.com, and you have it right here. You can just simply click on enter, and that one's in hyperlink. But there is something I want to take by with you. So if you click on three dots, click on link, you can link a page of your worksheet. For example, you can link your page number 2 if you have multiple document pages, or page number 1. So please take note about that one. It's not just URL or other websites you can link. Now, that being said, I just want to link something here. I'm just going to click on right click, click on Control K, or just click on that link option, type in google.com, click on enter, and with that being said, I can just simply click on done. Let me just remove this one, the underline, but I still have that link. Perfect, right? Now, for some reason you want to change the color, you can do as you please. You can change that to color green, this one to color red. Pretty awesome, right? Now, since we have added the link, let's try if they're working. I can just simply click on that one, click on this option right here. So it has successfully redirected me on YouTube. Let me just go back on Canva right now. Now, once you're back in Canva, the thing you need to take note of is, even if you're done adding some links, you can only view these links as a PDF or using it in a Canva presentation. Now that being said, let's try using them or viewing them as a preview. So this option right here, you can present in full screen. That is going to be the key shortcut, Control Alt P. And for Windows, I'm sorry, For Mac, that is going to be Command Alt P. Now, if I click on this one right now, we have it right here, and the links would be still working. Let me try clicking them right now and see if it will redirect me. Successfully enough, I have been redirected in YouTube again. So that being said, let me just remove the YouTube and go back to Canva. Perfect. Now once we're back in Canva, let me just escape right here. So one thing to take note of is if you click on share or you want to download it right now, click on download. Make sure you don't download it as JPEG, PNG, or MP4. Even GIF is not working. Just make sure you download it as a PDF standard. And then make sure this checkbox right here are going to be unchecked. Because if you check flatten PDF, this will remove any links. I'm just going to download page 1. Click on download. I just want to see if this is going to be working properly. Let me just open my document right now. So this is going to be our document. Let me just click on YouTube, or let's try Google as of now. I'm going to go for Google. And there we have it. It has successfully directed me in Google. Now, for some reason you want to edit the link or delete it, you're going to have, I think, one option only here, or two. First one, you can Control K, open this option right here. If you want to edit this one, let's say go to Facebook. Even though it's saying YouTube, you can go to Facebook. Click on done. Now it's going to be for Facebook. Still, it will give you an underline. Just simply remove it. And as you can see, Facebook is right here. Now to fully remove the link, make sure you click on edit link and click on that remove icon right here. Because if you keep on deleting the link right there, it will not successfully been removed. It's going to go back. So click on delete and we have it removed successfully. Simply re-download it and just have fun with it, okay? That being said, this is how you add some links, delete or customize in Canva. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.